welcome in this tutorial. This is Saurabh, and in this tutorial we are going to learn something about Python comments. So at the time when I am saying Python comment, then you all are thinking that there should be information stored in it. So Python comment is an essential tool for the programmers. Comments are generally used to explain the code. We can easily understand the code if it has a proper explanation. And also a good programmer must use the comments, because in the future if anyone wants to modify it, then they will be easily do that thing with the help of comments. In the other programming languages like C++, it provides the double forward slash for single line comment, and for multi-line comments there is a, I will show you like this. In C++ C has program for single line command we use this, and for multi-line command we use this. But in Python it provides single line Python commands. To apply the comment in the code we use this keyword, that is hash. So these two are not used in Python. Only hash will use for Python for a single comment. Let's understand the following example. I will show you here. So by clicking on new file, we create a new file and will write this code. So here I have written a statement by using hash, and after printing this, so it should print both of these into the console. But here I will see that what will happen. So here it is only printing hello codex error. It means that comments statement will not come with the output. So here we will able to understand that comments will not show the information in the output. It will only show the information in the during code phase. Here we have written comments over the print statement using the hash. It will not affect our print statement. Now I will show you multi-line Python comment. So we have to use hash at the beginning of every line of code to apply a multi-line Python comments. So like if we want to use some other lines, welcome in this tutorial. Now I will run this. Then here it is only printing hello codex error again. So we can use hash at the beginning of every statement for multi-line comment. Now the above code is very readable. Even the absolute beginner can understand that what is happening. Okay, so we can also use some other method for multi-line comment, the triple quotes, that is here we are going to see multi-line comments. So for multi-line comments we use this method. These triple quotes are used to string formatting. Now I will show you some example of this. Suppose we are going to write something. This is my Python comments students tutorial. Now I will change my line. Thank you for supporting us. Now I will end here. So we are thinking that how it will print this statement. So we will see that in output that here still it is printing only hello codex error. So here we are able to understand that for a single line comment we use hash in Python, and for a multi-line comment we can use triple quotes. So I will tell about something Python indentation. So here I will show you something about Python indentation. Python indentation uses to define the block of the code. In other languages, C, C++, Java, we use curly braces, whereas Python as an indentation. So white spaces are used as an indentation in Python. So we can't write anything like if we have to maintain some rule during the writing code in Python, because there is a indentation where we have to satisfy that indentation, and until we will not able to satisfy that, our code will give us a indentation, that is a indentation error. I will show you what indentation error is. Let's see here. So we use for I in range 10. So here this and print I. So now if I will run this, it will give me output 0 to 9. But now I will change something. Here I have put written this code in with indentation. If I will not write it with the indentation like this, sorry, I have only remove one line. Now if I will run this, then it will give us a error here, expected an indented block. So we have to maintain our indentation. If there will be anything wrong with indentation, then it will give a syntax error like this. So hope you all understand these topics. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in next tutorial with new topic.